fast cars, big houses, luxury holidays. Have you ever wondered how the wealthy secure this glamorous way of life? Most people can only ever dream of living this lifestyle. Let's face it, a 9-to-5 job is not going to make you rich. Many people rely on credit and loans to get by day to day, being hit with the high interest rates and ever-increasing taxes. The only people who benefit from this are the banks and the governments. This is the way they want it to be for the average Joe. However, what if I told you there was a way to buck the trend and guarantee over $3,000 in your pocket by the end of today? Well, now it is your turn to stop wondering and dreaming. It's time to start profiting with the Ethereum code. Anybody can earn thousands of dollars a day with our state-of-the-art auto trading software.
Hey, how's it going? My friend Michael told me about the Ethereum code and how I can make a lot of money from it. So, just like you, I was looking to make a little bit of extra income, so I decided to check it out. And when I tell you that this is one of the easiest ways, just to have some extra income coming in. So far, I've actually been able to make over $15,000, and the program actually runs on autopilot. So I'm making money even when I sleep. Again, I highly recommend that you guys check this out, and I hope you have just as much success as I did. Take care.
Right now, we're looking for beta testers from all around the world who want to achieve that luxury millionaire lifestyle by profiting from cryptocurrency, a digital currency that has been making waves in the global economy. You're watching this video right now as you received an exclusive invitation to become one of our beta testers. Consider yourself extremely lucky, as places in our beta testing program are limited.
I'm pretty much in shock right now. I decided to invest in Ethereum code after getting a beta invite, and within 24 hours I had over $3,000 in my account. After the first week, I was able to pay off all my credit cards and other debts like school loans. This was the first time in my life that I was able to do that. It's really incredible just to think that a few clicks just changed my life forever. It was so easy to get started. And I just want to give a big shout out and a huge thank you to Mark so much. Thank you so much, Mark, and his team for making it super easy. Thanks again.
I'm Mark Weston, the CEO and founder of the Ethereum code. Now, I may not be some kind of analytical genius, but I do know how so many people are making a fortune by trading with cryptocurrency.
I'll admit that I was skeptical of the Ethereum code at first. I mean, surely these claims of several $1,000s a day couldn't be true. However, after seeing all the media buzz about these cryptocurrencies, I decided to give it a go. After all, it was risk-free. And you know what? I'm glad that I did. In the first week, I earned over $10,000, and that's more money than I make in 6 months. Each day, I log into my account and I am amazed by what I see. Thanks to Ethereum code.
It all started when I was working a menial 9-to-5 office job in the accounting department for a global software corporation. The work was completely boring, and the pay was only allowing me to just about make ends meet. During my time at that job, a colleague and friend of mine, Michael, suddenly appeared to come into a large amount of money. He turned up for work one day in a brand new Mercedes, worth at least $100,000. I asked him if he had won the lottery, and his answer was, sort of. He explained to me how he had invested in Bitcoin when it was just emerging. The value of one Bitcoin started out at just a few dollars, but is now valued at over $3,000 per Bitcoin. Having bought about 100 Bitcoins at their initial value, he now had over $300,000 in his bank account. These kind of profits make complete sense, as many self-made millionaires have reached their level of financial security just by being early investors in companies or technologies which now dominate the global markets. Michael's success intrigued me, and when I got home that day, I started looking into cryptocurrencies to find out what all the fuss was about. My research revealed that the rise of cryptocurrencies had made thousands of everyday people millionaires by the sheer fact they invested at the very beginning. Okay, so the Bitcoin boat has sailed. How could I begin to generate huge profits from cryptocurrency then? Well, soon enough, I discovered the world of online trading. It was incredible to realize that with just a few mouse clicks, I was able to generate massive profits with auto trading software. After a few days, I was up almost $15,000, but the following day my profits had vanished. It seemed that a lot of these auto trading programs had one goal in mind: to make me lose money. I needed to figure out how I could set up trades on my own. After all, I knew there was huge money to be made with online trading. To truly get to grips with the online trading markets, I realized I had to focus on trading an asset that I truly understood. Of course, what had I been researching up until that point? Cryptocurrency. I got in contact with Michael and we started trading Forex and binary options online with cryptocurrency assets such as Bitcoin. With our knowledge combined, soon enough we were trading away and building up a portfolio of over $2,000 a day. The problem we found was that Bitcoin was starting to become very volatile in its pricing, and we started to lose more trades than normal. This is where Ethereum came in. Ethereum is currently the second largest cryptocurrency in the world behind Bitcoin. Ethereum offers advanced security compared to Bitcoin, with features such as smart contracts, which the big tech companies are investing heavily in. For this reason, Ethereum is growing at a colossal 4,000% per year compared to Bitcoin, which is currently around 200% a year or less. Even for this fact, the market has remained relatively untapped. We began trading Ethereum on the Forex and binary options markets and quickly found how profitable it could be, averaging about $10,000 a day. There was one big problem though. We were spending all day sat in front of a computer. With Michael being a programmer, he suggested writing some software to automatically trade for us. With this in mind, he locked himself in his office and didn't emerge until 3 weeks later. He had done it. Michael created an algorithm based on our exact trading strategy. The software was now placing trades for us on autopilot, while we sat back and relaxed. What's more, as the software was infinitely faster at analyzing and placing trades than us humans, we were making $25,000 to $50,000 each day. Of course, this is not something we wanted to keep for ourselves. We wanted to help other people to enjoy this kind of lifestyle and escape the 9-to-5 rat race. That is why we are allowing free access to people who have received an invitation, people like you. You may be asking, why are you giving this away for free? And that is a good question. Each trade the system executes is analyzed, and we use this information to continually update the algorithm. This means the more trades we analyze, the higher the accuracy will become. It's a win-win for everyone. You may also be saying to yourself, but I have never traded before. Well, don't worry. Our software has been designed to do all of the hard work for you. With just a few mouse clicks, you'll be able to sit back, relax, and watch your account balance start building up. The software runs on autopilot. There really is nothing to do. You'll make guaranteed profits even if you've never placed a single trade in your life. Imagine being able to go about your daily life and earning profits without having to lift a finger. You can even earn money while you are sleeping. It's that simple. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever earned over $1,000 in less than 2 hours? If you are watching this video, then I'm going to guess the answer is no. Well, with the Ethereum code, that kind of profit is just the tip of the iceberg. Just imagine what it would be like to be free from interest-heavy credit card debts, rent payments that you are struggling to pay on time, or being afraid to check your bank account because you know there is just more bad news waiting. It is crucial that you sign up to the Ethereum code today as our public offering is only going to be available for a limited time. You are probably thinking we are going to upsell some other product once you are signed up. But be rest assured, there are no upsells, no spamming, any of that funny stuff scammers try to do. The software is entirely free and will be free forever, guaranteed. All of the money you generate with the Ethereum code is completely yours. It can be withdrawn at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Most importantly, it's tax-free, so you can enjoy 100% of the profits. It only takes 60 seconds to get started with the Ethereum code. Do you see the form on this page? Simply enter your best email address and name, and that's all you need to do to get the Ethereum code for free. See, it really is that easy. Within the next 60 seconds, you could be generating over $10,000 a day. Remember, once we have filled all of our beta tester spots, we will no longer be giving out the software for free. Secure your chance to live the millionaire lifestyle today. Our beta testing spots are filling rapidly, so if you sleep on it, you could find your spot taken and you will never get that opportunity again. Once you have secured your spot, you will be registered for life. Time is running out to claim your free beta testing spot, so enter your name and email address right now, and we look forward to seeing you in the members area.